Children, now I take up construction of triangles. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. This you all know. But to construct a triangle, we do not need to know all of them. A triangle can be constructed if any of the following are known. Means if you are given any 3 out of 6 parameters of the triangle. First case, when you are given 2 sides and including angle. Second construction is based on when you are given 2 angles and including side. Third construction is based on when you are given all the 3 sides of a triangle. So let's proceed to each construction. There are 3 types of construction. So let's move on each one by one. And to make you clear the construction work, children, I'll go with the exercise 4B sums. So let's move on construction 1. When you are given 2 sides and including angle. To make you clear, I'll take first question, first part of exercise 4B. Students, whenever you start the construction, rough figure is must. So draw the rough figure. From there you will get the step of construction. See how the question is, draw a triangle ABC in which AB equals to 5.4 centimeter. Angle A equals to 45 degree and AC equals to 5 centimeter. Complete the triangle. From here you will get the step. So what is your first step? Draw a line segment AB of 5.4 centimeter. So let's move to the step 1. Draw a line segment AB of 5.4 centimeter. Step 2. Draw an angle of 45 degree at A. So let's move to the construction of angle of 45 degree. How to proceed? First we draw angle of 90 degree and then bisect and get the angle of 45 degree. So let me make an angle of 90 first. It was taught in the construction work, chapter 3. So before proceeding to the construction of triangle, children, keep practicing the construction of angles. This is angle of 90 degree. When you bisect, you will get the angle of 45 degree. So let's bisect it. Let this ray be O. Hence, angle OAB measures 45 degree. Just the compass to 5 centimeter. Step 3. A as center, draw an arc at 5 centimeter. This point is C. Step 4. Join C to B. At all the parameters, 5.4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. This angle is of 45 degree. Hence, triangle ABC is the required triangle. Children, question number 1, second part. It is again based on construction work when you are given 2 sides and including angle. So let me read the question. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equals to 4.8 centimeter. While reading the question, keep making the rough figure. AB equals to 5.7 centimeter and angle B is of 120 degree. Angle B is of 120 degree means it is an obtuse angle. This angle is of 120 degree and AB is of 5.7 centimeter. So you'll get the point A here. Join A to C to get the triangle. So from here we get the first step as draw BC equals to 4.8 centimeter. So let's move to the first step. 4.8 centimeter. to BS angle, draw an angle of 120 degree. So let's proceed. Again, you have learned how to make an angle of 120 degree. From here, 60 plus 60 equals to 120 degree. So let's complete this angle of 120 degree. Join to B and extend the line. Step 3, AB equals to 5.7 centimeter. So let's take the radius of 5.7 centimeter with the help of compass. See, first you adjust the arc length of 5.7 centimeter. Then BS center, draw an arc of 5.7 centimeter. This point is A. Step 4, join A to C. Hence, ABC is the required triangle in which BC equals to 4.8 centimeter, AB equals to 5.7 centimeter, and this angle is of 120 degree. Children, let's move to construction 2 when you are given two angles and included sides. So I'll take question number 2 of exercise 4b. Question 2 is draw a triangle ABC in which BC equals to 6.5 centimeter, angle B is of 60 degree and angle C is of 30 degree. So this is the rough figure. From here you will get the step of constructions. So what is your first step? Draw a line segment BC of 6.5 centimeter. So let's proceed to the step 1. Step 1, 6.5. Draw a line BC of 6.5 centimeter. Name it BC equals to 6.5 centimeter. Step 2, angle B equals to 60 degrees. So we'll keep the compass on B and construct an angle of 60 degree. Students, you should practice more and more to construct the angles using compass. Step 2 is completed. This angle of 60 degrees is constructed. Now step 3, construct an angle C of 30 degrees. So let's take C as center and draw the angle of 30 degree. To make an angle of 30 degree means first we'll draw an angle of 60 degree and bisect it. This is angle of 60 degree. When you bisect this angle, see how I am bisecting from this arc and from the next arc. When you bisect the angle of 60 degree, students will get the angle of 30 degree. This is the point of intersection of two arcs. Join it to C and extend the line. And where the two line meet, that point is A, vertex A. Hence, ABC is the required triangle in which angle B is of 60 degree, BC equals to 6.5 centimeter, angle C equals to 30 degree. So this is construction 2 in which you are given two angles and included side. Let me explain one more sum of construction 2 when you are given two angles and included side. Question number 7 of exercise 4b. Student, question is construct the triangle ABC in which BC equals to 6 centimeter. So let me complete the triangle first. This is your triangle in which angle B is 45 degree. Angle A is 75 degree. Then how will you proceed? Here you see, children, you all know the sum of three angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. So first you sum of these two, 75 plus 45 degree equals to 120 degree. Then 180 degree minus 120 degree equals to 60 degree. From here you get to the conclusion that angle C is of 60 degree. After getting the two angles and including side, we'll proceed. Now step 1, draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. So let's move to the steps of construction. Step 1, draw BC equals to 6 centimeter. Step 2, angle B of 45 degree. So let's construct an angle of 45 degree. To make 45 degree, first we make an angle of 90 degree and bisect. So let's complete with the dotted line because we are interested in 45 degree angle. When you bisect this angle, placing the compass on these 2 points will get the angle of 45 degree. Step 2, to construct an angle of 45 degree is over. Now let's move to the step 3. Angle C is of 60 degree. So at C, let's make an angle of 60 degree. Where the arc meet the line, from there give an arc of 60 degree and complete step 3 by joining C to the point of intersection and extending the line. So when you join the point of intersection with C and extend the line, you will get point A. This is vertex A. Hence, ABC is the required triangle in which this angle is of 45 degree, angle C is of 60 degree and angle A is of 75 degree. Let's move to the next type of construction, that is construction 3, when you are given all the 3 sides of a triangle. I have taken question number 1, third part. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB equals to 6 centimeter, BC equals to 4.8 centimeter and CA equals to 5 centimeter. Very easy, simple. Let's move to the first step. Draw a line segment AB of 6 centimeter. So keep your ruler and proceed. A, B, 6 centimeter. Step 2, AC equals to 5 centimeter. So adjust the radius of 5 centimeter. Take the arc length of 5 centimeter and let's move to the step 2. AS center, draw an arc of 5 centimeter. BC equals to 4.8 centimeter, means from B give an arc at 4.8 centimeter. So adjust the arc length of 4.8 centimeter. See, after taking the arc length of 4.8 centimeter, students, step 3, BS center, draw an arc of radius 4.8 centimeter. The point of intersection of the two arcs is vertex C. Step 4, join C to A. Step 5, join C to B. Hence ABC is the required triangle in which AB equals to 6 centimeter, AC equals to 5 centimeter and BC equals to 4.8 centimeter. Next example of the same construction. Question number 6. Construct an equilateral triangle with sides 5 centimeter. You know equilateral triangle? A triangle whose all the sides are equal. It means if I construct a triangle ABC, if one side is 5 centimeter, Means all the three sides are of 5 centimeters. So how to proceed? This is the rough figure. With the help of it, you can start your construction. First, draw a line segment AB of 5 centimeter. Take this length of 5 centimeter from here itself. Then A as center, draw an arc at 5 centimeter. B as center, draw the next arc at 5 centimeter where the two meet, that is point C. Join C to A and C to B. Hence triangle ABC is the required triangle in which all the sides are of 5 centimeter. Question number 8. Construct a triangle PQR in which PQ equals to 6.3 cm, PR equals to 5.6 cm and angle P equals to 48 degree. Children, can you tell me this is which construction? Construction 1, 2 or 3? This is construction number 1 when you are given two sides and including angle. Children, just see. The angle is of 48 degree and it's not possible to construct 48 degree using compass. So here we will use protractor. Let's proceed to step 1. Draw a line segment PQ of 6.3 centimeter. Step 2. Let's make angle P of 48 degree. We'll use which scale? 0 is this side, so we'll use inner scale and reach to the 45, 46, 47, 48 degree. Mark the point there at 48 degree. Complete this angle. Take an arc length of 5.6 centimeter, children. P as center, draw an arc at 5.6 centimeter. This point is R. Join R to Q. Hence triangle PQR is the required triangle in which PQ equals to 6.3 cm, angle P equals to 48 degree and PR equals to 5.6 cm. 9. Construct a triangle DEF in which EF equals to 6.5 cm, angle E equals to 56 degree, angle F equals to 75 degree. So this question is based on construction 2 when you are giving two angles and including side. So how will you proceed? First step, draw EF equals to 6.5 centimeter. Step 2, angle E equals to 56 degree. 56 degree angle we can't construct using compass, so we will use protractor here. So let's move to step 2, angle E of 56 degree. 0 to 50 and then 6. We are using inner scale of the protractor. Complete this angle of 56 degree. Step 3, angle F of 75 degree. 75 degree angle we can easily construct using compass, but in your book it is mentioned to use protractor. Angle F. In this case, when you keep the protractor to the right side, you will find the 0. Here is the Auger scale. So let's count from 0 of this side and use Auger scale to measure 75 degree. This angle is of 75 degree. Children, let us complete angle of 75 degree. That is step 3. And where the two line meet, this point is D, vertex D. Yes, DEF is the required triangle in which EF equals to 6.5 centimeter, angle E equals to 56 degree and angle F equals to 75 degree. Begin with this, I have explained you all the three types of constructions, setting two examples of each. Now you'll get the homework questions based on these constructions. So note down the homework, do neatly in copy. In few sums I will ask you to write the step of construction so that you have the practice of writing. So you all know where to write the step of construction. Which page will you use? Right side. All construction you will go on the left side of your geometry copy and it should be done only using pencil.